Power your home, save more with Prodigy exclusive company. Tired of unstable electricity? High bills keeping you in the dark? Switch to clean, reliable, and affordable power with Prodigy exclusive company. Solar generator being installed by skilled technicians, emphasizing its compact size and efficiency. Our 800-watt solar generators are white heavy checkmark, perfect for powering lights, fans, TVs, and more. White heavy checkmark, cost-effective, save big on energy bills. White heavy checkmark, designed for durability and reliability. White heavy checkmark, eco-friendly, reducing your carbon. Take charge of your power today. Electric light bulb special offer, free consultation for residents of Progressive Estate, Marba Way, Jakande Estate. Round pushpin, contact us now to book your installation. Telephone, receiver, call or WhatsApp 0912 441 8659. Globe with Meridians, follow us. Facebook, Prodigy exclusive company. Instagram, Prodigy exclusive company. YouTube, Prodigy exclusive company. Prodigy exclusive company, powering a brighter future. Reliable power. Smart solutions. Prodigy exclusive company.